Welcome back. We've introduced the idea of data preprocessing, and now we're going to tackle the single most common, and most frustrating, part of that process, handling missing data. What is missing data? It's simply when you have empty spots in your dataset. This is a huge problem because nearly all machine learning algorithms are designed to work on a complete grid of numbers and will fail if they encounter a gap. Think of it like a jigsaw puzzle with missing pieces. You can't see the whole picture, and you have to decide what to do about those holes. The first and simplest strategy is deletion. You can delete any row that contains one or more missing values. This works well if you have a massive dataset and only a tiny fraction of your rows are incomplete. Alternatively, if an entire column, or feature, is mostly empty, you can just delete that feature altogether. The major downside? You're throwing away potentially valuable data. A much more common strategy is imputation, which means filling in the blanks. The simplest way is to replace missing numerical values with the mean or median of that column, and missing categorical values with the most frequent category, or mode. This is fast and easy, but it can distort the natural patterns in your data. A more advanced approach is to build a small machine learning model to predict what the missing value should be, based on all the other features. So which method should you choose? There's no single right answer. It's a critical decision that requires you to think like a data detective. You have to investigate why the data is missing. Is it completely random, or is there a systematic reason? Your choice will always be a trade-off between losing data on one hand and potentially introducing bias on the other. And now you have a practical toolkit for dealing with missing data. It's a fundamental skill for any data scientist. By choosing the right strategy, you can rescue a dataset that might have otherwise been unusable. Now that our data is clean and complete, how can we make it even more powerful? Join me in the next lesson to learn the art of feature engineering.